Hello, good evening, Ekrole, and welcome to CultureTreeTV. This channel is basically a Yoruba channel for children. We're going to be featuring a lot of nursery rhymes. There's going to be stories. There's going to be real life learning activities. My daughter Kemo will be featuring quite often in the videos. I'll be teaching her how to speak Yoruba. I'll be teaching her numbers, alphabets, name it, Yoruba, because basically we need to keep our heritage alive, we need to keep our culture alive, we need to keep our language alive. The children need to be bilingual. I mean, I'm speaking English myself. I speak Yoruba to her, I speak English and Yoruba to her. Like, there's nothing I can say to her that she doesn't understand in Yoruba, and that's what I want most kids. Like, if I had my way, every Nigerian Yoruba child in London would know their language, would know how to speak their language. That's my mission, is to teach kids Yoruba. So please stay tuned to this channel, please subscribe. There'll be videos every 2 weeks. If you have any questions, if you have any suggestions of songs that we can sing or things that you would like to see me do or teach, please send me an email. My email address is culturetreeuk@gmail.com. It's culturetreeuk@gmail.com. It's actually in the description of the channel.